Hello over there at SK Landscape Company. Thank you for giving us the green light to send this video to you guys. My name is Eddie Medina and I work with Boundless SEO and we are a digital marketing agency. I was doing some research in your area and I came across your company's website and decided to contact you. I was told Sandra would be the correct person to watch this video, so Sandra, I hope you're watching. I figured I'll shoot a quick video to give you 3 tips on how you can improve your website and beat out your competition online. I know you're super busy. I'm not going to take too much of your time. If by the end of this video you are interested in our strategies, please give me a call so we can further chat. If not, no harm, no foul. You can take this video as educational and try it yourself. Just be very careful if you do. If you already have an SEO agency working for you or plan to work with an SEO agency or a web designer, this video will show you what you currently have going behind the scenes and what to look for if you do. Also, I'll be comparing it to one of your competitors around your area. All right, let's get into it. The 3 things I like to go over is your content, backlinks, and citations. Your website looks good overall. Looks like the links seem to be working just fine. The navigation is fairly simple. Not a lot of content in front of the on the home page of your website. And also, I noticed it's not secured, so the TSL certification expired. It's not a good look, unfortunately. Overall, a good website. Typically, you want to see around 1,500 words of content. This will, of course, improve relevance to the services that you offer and a level of trust inside of Google for a better ranking. In that 1,500 words of content, you really want to start inserting keywords organically without any stuffing. What I mean by stuffing, in other words, is spamming. For example, having keywords all over the page, making it obvious your intentions are to throw these keywords, but scattered without protocol. That's just going to hurt your website. You really want to avoid that. And another thing in regards to keywords, you want to search for high volume keywords, meaning people are actually looking for your services with that exact keyword with the location word overall. So let's jump into Ahrefs here real quick. This is what you currently have going behind the scenes of your website. This is a paid tool, of course. Here we can see the back end of your website. You could jump into Ahrefs, do it yourself if you want to, monitor what you have going. Currently, you have 26 organic keywords. Again, with the keywords, this is very important. In a monthly basis, you have 9 people jumping onto your website, referring domains 20, backlinks 36. The second thing I like to make you aware of is backlinks, which is a section here. When you think of the web, it's easy to imagine there are numerous websites linking to one another. A backlink is just that. So it's a website that's sending traffic to your website via a URL or a hyperlink. Please be aware though, not all backlinks are created equal. If you add a backlink to your website that has nothing to do with your industry or services, this can actually hurt your website. So just be careful on that. Backlinks are your URL level here, which you are currently at a 16. The third and final thing is citations. A citation is essentially your company's business name, address, and phone number listed throughout the web in different directories. And a directory would be something like Yelp, Angie's List, or Yellow Pages. I'm sure you're familiar with one of those. Any one of those websites out there that allows business owners to list business information and services to create a new avenue for people to reach them. That is what a citation is in a nutshell. So it falls under the DR level here, which you currently are at a 0.7. Citations will be in this group here, referring domains. So you want to keep this at a 1-to-1 ratio, the UR and the DR level. It's good protocol inside of Google's eyes. It gives your website preference and puts you on top of the list. So yeah, let's go to one of your competitors here, Urban Roots. As you can see, they have not much content also, but they do have backlinks and citations going behind the scenes. Let's jump into that. They have 9 referring domains, backlinks 31. With the backlinks itself, it's giving them an 8% of an increase in the UR level. Organic keywords, they have 129. And just with this alone, it doesn't make sense they're having organic traffic at 194. So I'm almost certain they had a SEO agency working for them, but no longer. You can see they're decreasing here in the rankings, but they're still getting 194 in a monthly basis. So SEO strategies. It's not a bad method. As you can well imagine, a website that is lacking keywords, backlinks, and citations, that site is really not getting any boost, which of course leads to missing out on opportunities. For example, calls and leads, and who doesn't want that, right? Hopefully this has been informative and educational for you. I really hope you got a lot out of this. And if you need more information or have any questions, please give me a call, text, or send me an email. We're here for you. Hope to hear from you soon. Bye-bye.